What's up, beauties? You're all welcome to this wonderful day. Today, I'll be creating this smoky eye look, which is beginner friendly and very affordable and very fast to achieve. So, stay tuned, take your makeup tools, let's do makeup together. Okay, I drew her brows and now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal and define the brows. This is a step I've taken on most of my makeup videos, so I don't really think I'll be going into details. Besides, I have a brow tutorial on my channel on how I draw and achieve like a flawless brow, if I can put it that way, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer like I earlier on said. I'm just using the same technique, starting by concealing like around her brow bone so that I reduce the intensity of the product at the beginning of her brow. So you just take your time to do this so that you will not have like patches and creases on the brow, and then after this you just blend properly. Use your spoolie brush to blend in the pencil and the natural brow so that you have a defined look. Now I'm using the exotic pop palette, and once again I have an affiliate link for this palette. If you want to order it, I'll leave the link in the description box as well as the comment section so that you can order this palette for yourself. This is a beginner friendly smoky eye tutorial. I'm using the pink, very light pink shade as her transition color, and then I'll go in with this palette. Is from BH Cosmetics. I wanted like a purple transition between the smokiness and the above her eye, like her crease. Okay, I'm using this gel. I got this gel, it's just about, I got it just for about 50 cents, guys. This is a 50 cents gel and I got it from Primark. I'm using that brush to blend it out. When you apply the gel, you have to blend it out fast so that the gel should not dry up. If it dry up, you will not be able to blend it and you'll be having a harsh line between your transition and the gel. The reason I applied the gel is so that the smokiness should really be dark. She wanted a very dark smoky eye. Now I'm going over with that purple eye, and I decided to use a tape because she wanted her eyes kind of cat-like and elongated. So I extended the smoky eye. This is an optional step for you to take, guys. I'm giving this detailed explanation because this is a beginner makeup tutorial, and basically that's it about it. You don't need to line your eyes since it's a smoky eye. You pop your lashes and let's go further. After prepping her face, by prepping her face, I mean the primer I put. I also apply rose water. Sorry, I didn't show that on camera. And now I'm using the Mary Kay bronze foundation, guys. You know I'm a huge fan of Mary Kay, and if you want to order this foundation, I'll also leave a link in the description for you to check and see. Okay, so this is bronze 5, and I can't remember if I mixed it with any other foundation because I'm a queen of matching foundation. You can see it really blends with her color. I'll go further to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Yeah, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'll list everything I use in the description box so that if you want to get yourself these products, you can go ahead and get yourself these products. But I'm highlighting the places I usually want them to pop out, and that's below her eye, the bridge of her nose, her chin, and her forehead. Basically that's it. I'm not doing, she wanted like a natural makeup look. As you can see, I'm really going light-handed on the products, and her lashes too are very natural. You can barely tell that she has lashes on. That's just how she wanted it. Then I didn't show that I applied like a silver shimmer eyeshadow at her inner corner just to make them pop a little, and basically that's it. This is a very short tutorial, so I appreciate if you watch till the end. Using your damn beauty blender, just blend everything out as you can see me doing. Now I'll be using the Sasha Buttercup to set those areas that I highlighted. You want to do this immediately after you blended it out so that the concealer should not dry. If the concealer dries on your skin and gets into your skin, you have, like, your face will be looking too big and dry. So after you've like applied and blended the concealer, it's advisable to just go ahead to apply your setting powder. I like the yellow tone of this setting powder, and it's very good, especially for black skin, African color. And I'm using the Sarah palette to contour those places. I didn't do cream contour. By now you should know I'm not a very big fan of cream contour, so I'm using that to just darken the areas where I'm normally supposed to contour. To highlight her face, I'll be using the nude glow, and I'm mixing those two colors you see right there. Like, like I said, I'm a queen of mixing. I just love mixing things. I'll be using that to highlight her cupid's bow. I'm prepping her lips for the lip work, guys, and I'm just highlighting those areas. So I hope you're enjoying this background music, because I am, and I'm dancing towards it. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. I got this palette from Primark as well, and it's 50 cents, guys. This is so affordable. Honestly, this is so affordable. And the thing I like about this smoky eye is that it doesn't take time at all. It doesn't take time at all. I wanted to mix that with a kind of like light orange, blush, so I went ahead to take it from the Exotic Pop palette. Now we are going to the lips, and I'll be using this purple lipstick. This is her favorite lipstick. I can't even tell you how much, but the lipstick is so nice. This lipstick is from MAC. Yeah, it's a high-end lipstick. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. You see how pigmented the lipstick is, and the, how can I say, the color is so appealing. For some reason it just blended with your eyes. Do you think it blended with your eyes? Let me know down in the comment section below. And yes, to calm down, to tone down the lips, I decided to go in with a nude color. All these lipsticks are lipsticks. That's why I'm not using a brush. Before you come for me, it's not hygienic to be using lips and lips. I know that. So yeah. So after that, I'm going to clean that up with this step I always emphasize is very important, with my concealer brush. Honestly, it takes time to achieve a flawless lip. If you're doing this on someone else, just make sure that the blend and blend. If you're doing it on yourself, you can always work your way and blend it the way you want. And that's basically it about the final look. I'm just setting her face now, and this is it, guys. Let me know what you think. The most important thing is that she liked her makeup, and she was all looking glam up like the tom girl that she is. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.